Why Ghana? Of all African countries, why did we decide to visit?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think it was actually a Reddit post that I read because I was like, okay, like I don't know a lot about Africa.
Okay.
Like in the U.S. education system, they really only covered that is where people were enslaved and brought
Okay.
to America.
Okay.
And then slavery was discussed in the U.S., but no like history of any sort of like African kingdom, any sort of empire, any sort of independence movement.
Okay.
Like, so I knew I wanted to go somewhere in Africa.
Okay.
And then I was like, okay, like, where is the easiest? like where's like I want to be like I don't want to go straight to the most challenging place to travel because I don't know how things work, right?
Okay.
Like it took a while to figure out how to use the matatus, the buses to get from place to place.
Okay.
And I read a review that said Ghana is Africa for beginners.
Okay,
And I was like,
so
I'm a beginner. That's me.
So it's like a
I
gateway of Africa.
a gateway, yeah, a gateway.
Yeah.
Actually, and my favorite food was in Tamale.
Okay. What was
The
that?
wagashi.
What
The
is
wagashi,
that?
the halloumi cheese. It's like this kind of like squeaky cheese that's
I think
very
I've never
salty.
tasted
You
that.
didn't
I
taste
tasted wache.
Wache.
Wache is a mixture of rice and beans.
Ah, okay.
It was nice. I think it's my favorite.
Oh, you have to go back because
I have to
wagashi was
go.
my favorite.
Yeah,
My
I
gosh,
have to.
yeah, I didn't know. I just saw them. I saw these women selling something that they were frying in a bucket,
Okay.
and I asked them what it was, and they said it was cow. And I was like, oh, okay.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, like I'll try some cow, and then I think they had meant to, it was like cow's milk cheese. So it's like, oh, it's cheese, it's cheese. And it was freshly fried. They'll add in some chili as well if you want.
Okay. Wow, amazing.
I remember I was walking down the street.
Okay.
And I was like, oh, what is that? What is that food? And I was just kind of curious. And then somebody was buying the food.
Okay.
And they were just like, oh, like you look interested. Like, here, like, have it. Like, and he just bought me this food. Like, it was this absolutely amazing, like, warm, like, rice and milk porridge.
Yeah.
But he just, like, gave it to me. And I was like,
Yeah.
that is so kind. That is so kind and unexpected.
Yeah.
Interesting is that it seemed like people wouldn't change the party they're voting for,
Yeah.
but they would just change whether or not they wanted to vote.
Yeah.
So if they liked what their government was doing, they would vote for their government.
Yes.
If they didn't like, they just wouldn't vote.
Yeah.
It feels like there's so much growth and everything is changing so
Yes,
fast.
So fast.
And
So
like it's
Yeah.
culturally developed. Everything
Yeah.
is just growing, and so I'm
Yeah.
excited to see like where Ghana is in a few years.
Yeah.
I feel like
will
it'll be
in
totally
another
different.
level.
Yeah,
Completely.
yeah, yeah.
Actually, it's one of the most developed countries in West Africa.
Oh, wow.
So this is a white man who just heard that Africa is a place that the black people were brought to America as what? As slaves. And so this is the story they know about Africa. Oh, sometimes people say, oh, but now there's technology or there's global. Yeah. Some people, all that they know about Africa is Africa, they brought slaves towards America and Europe. And this is what the guy is saying, and it is true. Some people even know that we don't even have internet. There's the video that went on say, oh, internet, we plug it from trees and Africa. Comes to Ghana. Ghana. You heard, he said Ghana is a country for beginners of what? Africa. And people who want to know Africa. They know Africa through Ghana. People know Africa through Ghana. Isn't it so sweet? Look at what them guys say. Now, he say, I just want to go to Africa. Then he thought of, oh, let me go to what? Ghana. Because Ghana, it is for beginners who want to come to Africa. A white man saying this. Why did he not go to Nigeria or any other African country, you will smell pepper. So that is it. Africa, Ghana. That is why so Ghana is the gateway towards Africa. And he said it. Ghana is the gateway to Africa. Some people go and say the giant of Africa. Giant Guinea. Giant Kilode. Giant what? What? It is Ghana. Ghana means God has appointed Nkrumah already. So you see, that's it. Ghana. Nobody. Sometimes a rolling stone gathers no remorse. Stone that is rolling will not gather any remorse. We hear our name from foreign nationals. Somebody who had never come to Africa before was doing his research, and his mouse pointer or Keza pointed at Ghana. Ghana is a country for beginners who want to come to Africa. If you want to come to Africa, the first place you have to come is Ghana. And you said, yes, they have lovely people, and it is true. Ghana, we love people. We love people. We will not go and take your money or something of that sort. Those who are doing this here, and some Nigerians who are doing that. Yes. And our security service is very powerful. Police will arrest them. So don't worry. Come. So it's you. This is it. You see, sometimes you say, if you know how to fight, God will not fight for you. If you take him as your fighter, he what? He will fight for you. So we don't brag. We're not braggarts. We see what we see, and we see what we say. We will never say something that we have not seen, and we will never see something that we will not say. So we say what we see and see what we say. So this is Ghana. Ghana will say yeah. All say yeah. All say yeah. That's Ghana. Charlie, I'm happy. You're watching this video. You share. Let people get it. Until then, goodbye.